Every single culinary masterpiece begins its journey with a deliberate and gentle touch, carefully selecting only the very finest and freshest of ingredients possible. This initial and most crucial step serves as the essential key to truly awakening the hidden depths of the many complex flavors waiting within the food. As heat rises in the pan, the transformation takes place, releasing the essence trapped deep within every fresh component. Rich and familiar scents of long-forgotten memories begin to dance and fill the air, bringing back the warmth of the past with every breath taken. We believe that time itself is the finest seasoning, allowing every layer of flavor to develop its perfection. Generously coating every single strand of noodle in the unmistakable and comforting taste of home, it becomes clear that this process is so much more than just cooking. It is a profound creation that has been carefully crafted with an abundance of love, dedication, and a deep respect for the traditions that have been passed down through many generations. One single dish, one cherished home, and a beautifully warm moment in time that lingers in the heart long after the very last bite is gone.